Everything presented around us is our environment. The environment is the real world that includes the living as well as non-living types of surroundings on the earth. The life of humans and animals entirely depends on environment. Environment plays a major role in giving birth to a new life, survival of life and all-over well-being of any life. It also refers to a particular geographical area. The plants, air, water, animals, human beings, and other living things exist in the environment. An environment is a nature that nurtures our life on the earth. Everything provides us natural resources which we feel, breathe, and eat in our life comes from the environment. Like land, plants, water, air, sunlight, forests, food, rivers, and other natural things come within the environment. The environment has a complete cycle to maintain the proper balance on the earth. A healthy environment supports growing and nurturing the living and non-living things on the earth. The existence of our healthy life depends on the environment which maintains nature's balance. So, it is very essential to keep our environment clean to live a healthy and peaceful life. It is important to save our environment and maintain nature's balance for the existence of life. Impacts on the environment. Environment is very important for our life, so our environment should be safe, clean and healthy. Since human activities cause many impacts on the environment. So, an environment should be safe and clean. Without it we cannot imagine the existence of our life in the future. Water pollution occurs due to the release of unrefined industry wastes and other unsafe elements into the water. The air is polluted due to the uncontrolled discharge of harmful smoke from vehicles and industries. Soil and noise pollution also impacts our environment. The extreme secretion of greenhouse gases raise the surface temperature of the earth. This is the reason behind global warming. The existence of our life will become dangerous in the future on Earth. Nowadays, the food we are supplying to our body is not healthy since it has affected by the bad impacts of artificial fertilizers. These fertilizers reduce our body's resistance power to fight against diseases causing microorganisms. That is why we can fall sick at any time even if we are maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Many health diseases and disorders increasing due to water and air pollution. Environmental pollution is impacting negatively on many factors of our daily life. These are socially, economically, and physically affected factors. Human responsibility in environment. The advanced technologies destroying the environment which results in the imbalance of nature. Harmful smoke exhausted from industrial companies daily is polluting the natural air. This air impacting the health of human beings, animals, and other living things as they daily inhale it. In our busy and advanced lifestyle, we must take care of this type of small bad habits daily. It is important that everyone should put a little effort to bring a positive change in the destruction of the environment. We should take an initiative to make our environment safe and pollution-free. We should follow some rules to make our environment clean and safe. We can get pure air, greenery, and water with peace and a serene atmosphere in our life from a healthy environment. A good environment brings happiness to our children's life. An environment plays an important role in the development of society or an individual. The quality of the environment is increasing by making laws against noise pollution. Also, inspiring the usage of public transport. We should stop using poly bags, throwing wastes on the road or in public areas. We can adopt the recycling of old things, repair and use broken things without throwing it. We can use rechargeable batteries or alkaline batteries and fluorescent lights. We can also adopt rainwater conservation, reduce wastage of water, energy conservation, less consumption of electricity, and so forth. People should take part in tree plantation to make a healthy environment. We are making noise pollution by listening to loud music which impacts the environment. Spreading awareness and inspirational speeches are not enough to save the environment. We must take a strong initiative to protect the environment. Problems in environment. The following problems occur in the environment due to the change in lifestyle and advanced technology. Pollution is one of the major problems which occur due to the buildup of harmful substances in the air, water, and ground. Desertification also causes problems due to the conversion of land into desert areas when the soil gets dry and frail. The extinction of animals is the reason for the problem which occurs due to extreme fires, hunting, development, and other actions. Habitat loss is a problem occurs due to the destruction of natural areas for building houses and industries. Deforestation occurs due to cutting trees, desertion of forests, fires, and pollution. Protection of environment. It is not so easy to protect the environment. It will take lots of energy, time, and effort. Everybody should come forward and work together to maintain a clean and healthy environment. We can protect the environment in the following ways. People must follow strict laws on pollution control. The usage of environmentally unfriendly materials like plastic should not be adopted. Recycling of old and waste products must be adopted. Save water by reducing the wastage of water. A zero-tolerance policy for deforestation should be applied. Animal hunting should be prohibited. The emission of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases should be controlled. Energy conservation and less use of electricity. Invent technologies that are not harmful to our environment. Conclusion. Environment is very important for human and animal existence, so our environment should be clean, safe and healthy. Environmental pollution is negatively impacting our daily lives. The inventions of advanced technologies are providing comfortable in human life. But these inventions cause danger for the survival of our environment. Pollution of the environment brings a lot of health diseases which human beings may suffer throughout their life. It should be considered seriously to make the existence of life on Earth. It is a worldwide problem that can be solved by the non-stop efforts of everyone. Every person should come forward and take part in the environmental safety campaign. World Environment Day is an environment safety event celebrated on the 5th of June every year across the world. People and many organizations celebrate the day to know about the factors which destroy our environment. The motive behind celebrating the day is to spread awareness among people across the world. They should take positive actions for protecting the environment. So, it is the responsibility of every human being to save the environment, so that the next generation may enjoy the gifts of nature.